Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu. Alembic Database Migrations, Episode 7 of 8. A messy code merge is annoying, but it usually just fails a local test. Two conflicting database schemas, on the other hand, can bring your entire deployment pipeline to a halt. You merge your code to main, but suddenly your database migration tool complains about multiple heads. This is the reality of working with branches in Alembic, and resolving it requires understanding how your database timeline forks. Branches occur naturally in any team environment. Developer A works on a feature and generates a migration script to add a shopping cart table. This new script points to the current database state. Let us call it revision 100 as its base. Meanwhile, developer B works on a different branch and generates a script to add an account column. Their script also points to revision 100 as its base. Both developers test locally, everything works fine, and both pull requests are merged into the main repository. You now have two separate migration scripts in your project that both claim to be the immediate successor to revision 100. The migration timeline has split into two parallel paths. If you run the command to upgrade the database to the head revision, Alembic will immediately stop. It will throw an error stating there are multiple heads. The tool refuses to guess which migration should be applied first, because applying database changes in an unpredictable order is dangerous. To resolve this, you must reconcile the divergent streams using the Alembic merge command. Here is the key insight. Merging in Alembic is not like a Git merge. It does not look inside the Python files and try to automatically combine your schema changes into a single file. Instead, the merge command creates a completely new, empty migration script. This new script contains no database operations. It does not alter tables or add columns. Its entire purpose is structural. Inside the generated Python file, the down revision variable is set to a tuple containing the revision IDs of both divergent scripts, rather than a single string. This single action ties the two parallel branches back together. It creates a new unified head for the timeline. When you trigger the command, you typically pass it the word heads, which tells Alembic to find all the current endpoints in your migration history and merge them. You can also attach a message string to document the synchronization, much like a commit message. Once this merge script is generated and committed to your repository, your timeline is linear again. The next time you run the upgrade command, Alembic will execute both parent scripts in a safe sequence and then stamp the database with the new merged revision ID. The structural integrity of your database history depends on this synchronization. An Alembic branch is just a fork in your migration history, and fixing it means generating a dedicated script that acts as a physical knot tying those divergent paths back into one clear sequence. If you find these episodes helpful and want to support the show, you can search for Dev Stories EU on Patreon. That is all for this one. Thanks for listening and keep building.